Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, previous video I'm just typing a 2 love story with ChatGPT. So and now I'm just move again LeonardoAI. So now I am typing and generate image cute love story. So I'm just copy this prompt, love story. So click AI and I'm just type promote cute search gallery, not this, I mean just create generate AI. So guys, I'm just paste to prompt cute love story girl and boys and Greenfield and C. So now generate just 2 image. So I'm waiting for generate this image. So guys, keep watching this video and subscribe our channel. Okay, now guys, I'm just ready to photo and click download and I just need more because I'm create a video. So I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video so get more video. Goodbye.